Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm having some tacos wraps, and I'm gonna show you what I'm having. That is my lunch. It's tasty and yummy, and it's pretty good. Then I'm gonna taste it. It's gonna be crunchy, soft, and it's kind of like soft tacos. It's amazing, crunchy. It's not staying still. Like awesome tacos, like yummy tacos. And it's my favorite meal with chicken and the salad and the cheese and the chicken as well. And I will see you guys in the then I'll see you guys in the next video.